In this video, you will learn how to create autonomous AI agents using Python, focusing on developing skills to automate tasks and enhance efficiency across various industries. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that autonomous AI agents are transforming industries by automating complex tasks? Today, we'll explore how you can build these powerful agents using Python. Stay tuned to learn the foundational concepts and practical skills needed to create AI agents capable of independent operation.
Before diving into agent development, let's ensure your Python environment is ready. First, download and install Python from the official website. Next, set up a virtual environment using Vend or Virtualenv to manage dependencies efficiently. It's crucial to have an organized workspace, so consider using a robust IDE like PyCharm or VS Code. After setting everything up, test your environment by running a simple Python script to verify that everything is functioning correctly.
Understanding the architecture of AI agents is essential. An agent typically comprises sensors, which gather data from the environment, and actuators, which perform actions. The agent's brain processes this data to make decisions. A simple architecture includes perception, decision-making, and action. This setup allows the agent to interact with its environment continuously, adapting to changes and achieving its goals. As we move forward, this foundation will be pivotal in building more complex autonomous systems. Decision-making is the core of an AI agent's autonomy. Start with basic control structures like if-else and switch case statements to handle simple decisions. For complex scenarios, integrate algorithms such as A for pathfinding or Dijkstra's for shortest paths. These algorithms enhance the agent's ability to make informed decisions based on real-time data. Simulate environments to test how well your agent adapts and decides, ensuring robustness and reliability in real-world applications.
Integrating machine learning models can significantly enhance your agent's capabilities. Depending on your task, choose models suitable for classification, regression, or clustering. Libraries like TensorFlow and Scikit-learn offer powerful tools for training these models. Ensure you have a dataset that reflects the environment your agent will operate in. Train your models to recognize patterns and make predictions, allowing your agent to learn and adapt continuously. This integration is crucial for developing advanced autonomous agents.
Testing and debugging are critical in the development process. Employ unit tests to validate individual components of your agent. Simulate entire workflows to ensure the agent performs well in complex scenarios. Python offers robust debugging tools, such as PDB, to trace and resolve issues efficiently. Based on your tests, iterate on your code, refining algorithms and improving performance. Thorough testing ensures your agent can handle real-world tasks reliably and efficiently. Deploying your AI agent brings your hard work to life. Consider using cloud platforms like AWS or Azure for scalability and easy access. Post-deployment, monitor the agent's performance to ensure it meets expectations. Implement robust security measures to protect data and prevent unauthorized access. Be prepared for continuous updates and improvements based on user feedback and performance data. Effective deployment is key to leveraging your agent's potential in real-world applications.
Ethical considerations are paramount in AI development. Ensure transparency in your agent's actions, allowing users to understand and trust its decisions. Avoid bias in machine learning models by diversifying training datasets. Prioritize user privacy and data security, adhering to regulations and best practices. Implement sustainable AI practices, considering the environmental impact of computational resources. By focusing on ethics and best practices, you contribute to responsible AI development and deployment.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to building autonomous AI agents with Python. We've covered everything from setting up your environment to deploying agents and considering ethical implications. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is vital. Engage with the community, share your projects, and provide feedback. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more AI content. Your input helps us create better videos for you.